What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that bell button so that way you can be notified when we upload. We're trying to get on a good schedule of uploading at least once a week. If we upload more videos, you guys will be notified if you hit that bell button. So, from the title of the video, you can already tell that we broke something on the brand new Pro XP, but I'll get to that in a second. I want to talk about an overview of the parts that we just installed, like the beadlock wheels, beadlock rims from STI, and the 2-inch spacer from High Lifter, and the new limit straps. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, let's start off with the wheel, tire, and spacer combo. So 2-inch High Lifter spacers, STI beadlock rims are about 14 by 10s for front to rear. 14 by 10, so that way we can change out the rims all around and we don't have any offsets or anything different. So far good combo. The 2-inch spacers, they push out the tires, they have a way better stance, so I think we're at maybe a 72 or 73 inch width now. And riding the other day, it felt so much more stable when we were hitting the whoops sections and everything like that, going through them. So much more stable in the cornering. It doesn't feel like you're tipping over or anything like that. So I say that was a good purchase and install to do that and put the 2-inch spacers on there. Okay, so let's move over to the Sandcraft limit straps. So we just installed those the day before we went out riding. Great, they did phenomenal. They are all together. Nothing weird was happening to them. Everything seems like I did correctly, and it's not falling apart or wanting to come apart. So we did hit a jump the other day, and I felt, we left it off the ground, and I felt the limit straps actually pull or hold the suspension in place. So you didn't hear a clunk when we left the ground. Nothing was hitting, and then when we landed, it felt way more stable when we landed and we're getting back into throttle to get out of there. I don't know if it's because the limit straps and the new tire, wheel, and spacer combo to widen out the stance. I don't know, but so far, so good, and everything is working. Everything looks good. We're all in spec still from when I installed it. So nothing is coming out, and that's the only thing I was worried about, stuff falling apart, Doing upgrades, things do fall apart, but awesome product, great quality, so far so good. So now let's get to the part where we actually broke the car. So this is a major part that we did break, and I think I don't even know why. It can't be from the upgrades, it can't be from the wheels and tires. I think it's just because, I don't know if Polaris did an underrated drive shaft. So we twisted the drive shaft. I don't know if it's because they did an underrated one. Sorry about the dogs barking, neighbors. I don't know if because they did an underrated one or they put too much power for this one. I don't know. But let me see. I'm going to show you guys what it's looking for. It's probably super dark under there. Hold on. Let me get a light on there. There we go. So yeah, this is the front drive shaft. Yes, we were running in 4x4, but I feel like we weren't even going that hard in it. But it didn't, like, I would understand if it broke at the U-joint or maybe the caps came off or something, but no, it literally twisted right after the weld, where they do the U-joint to the weld together to the pipe, and it just and it just broke. So super weird. So super weird about that happening. It cut our ride time down. I was kind of bummed because it broke, but kind of glad it happened now because we do go out there to go practice and go do test runs so we can find the weak links, and glad we found them. So I will keep you guys updated. I'm going to be sending it to Polaris. Hopefully they cover it under warranty, because the warranty doesn't expire until July. I would assume they will cover it. We'll find out about that one. But now, since that happened, I already contacted Sandcraft, and they are making a heavy-duty drive shaft for this. We'll be bulletproofing the front diff, so we're doing basically a whole new front drive shaft assembly, or front drive line assembly. So heavy-duty drive shaft, new heavy-duty carrier bearing, new rebuilt. Even though it's only less than 100 miles on this thing, we're still going to rebuild it. We're going to tear the front diff apart. We're going to rebuild it, put new bearings inside of it, put the sprag cage inside of it, new bush, everything. We're going to do everything on this so we can eliminate this ever happening again, because that would suck going like 600-700 miles away and this happens in a race. Then you're down for the whole day, because I don't know, I don't carry front drive shafts around. Maybe I should start doing that. Maybe I'll carry axles, but not whole front drive shaft systems. And yeah, it was just weird. I don't know. So I thought I would share that with you guys and let you guys know what the plan is to getting this fixed. I'll let you guys know if Polaris is going to honor the warranty, because it has less than 100 miles on it. So yeah, I don't know. I'll let you guys know what they say. So thank you guys again for tuning in for this episode. I know it was a short one. I will put the video of it where it did break. I have the GoPro footage of it, so I'll put that into the video. Just make sure you watch until it's there. But I'm going to cut this video right here. And thanks for tuning in again. If you guys are new to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, because we are growing. We are starting to make more content. We are starting to go do crazier things. You know, we have a lot more to do to this car. New cage, obviously the new freaking bulletproof system for the front drive line. A lot. Exhaust, steering wheels, I don't know. We're gonna do a lot of stuff. But thanks again, guys. And thanks again to Sandcraft. It's just an awesome opportunity. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, keep on building and you will surely see progress. See ya.